Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to translate an email in Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, did you know that you can directly translate an email in Gmail? So I'll show you how to. So first, for example, I want to translate this email. For example, I can't read it because it is not in my native language. So all you have to do is just click this three dots, which means more, and then click translate message. So as you can see, you can just click this drop-down box and then select the language that you're comfortable to in reading. Like for example, this one, I have translated it into Filipino, my native language. Google also offers a lot of language and there is a lot of available language here. For example, I want to translate it into French. As you can see, it has already translated to French. And for example, I want to translate it into Indonesian. There you go. And then let's have another one into Japanese. As you can see, even the characters have changed. So if you want to read your emails in your native language where you are more comfortable, just follow the tips that I have teach you. So you can also view the original message by clicking this. And as you can see, you can compare it and see if it is the same, but eventually you'll just need to change this to the translated message, especially if you're looking for a comfortable reading with your own native language. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!